Use the rule of board mass. Brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Here multiplication 6 upon 2 plus 3. 2 1 are 2, 3, 6. 6 divided by 2 times 3 plus 3. 6 upon 2 times 3 plus 3 times 3 plus 3. 3 times 3, 9 plus 3. 12 is the correct answer. Write your correct answer in comment. प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन. चॅनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. चॅनलला सब्सक्राइब करा.